Hello everyone and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. It's been quite a long time since I've actually posted a video as normal, but markets are currently overextended. There's a lot of fear in the markets. So what that means is essentially markets are just continuing in one direction, and it takes a lot of time to get into another trading opportunity, especially if you're adopting our sort of style of trading. So finally, we've got a potential setup for an upcoming trade for the next few weeks. Will just really depends upon how the next few days goes with this current pair, so Aussie dollar and the Japanese yen. If you actually look over towards the other currency such as USD JPY, following the currency correlation, we can see we're extending so high with that pair that we could start to see some Japanese yen weakness. So could potentially follow this in the same pair, but for this, and could see some small correlation with that pair and this pair. So first off, I just wanted to mention what the overall bias is. So my prediction is that it's gonna my bias is more towards the upside, and this top zone is where we're going to be looking to buy. So my region for looking for a buying opportunity is at 65.257 to 64.487. So essentially what I want to see is that push to the upside following that momentum and rejection candle to the downside, following a bull pressure to the upside, and that should give us a confluence to get into this trade, and we'll continue to ride this. Now, due to the overextension of this market here, this gap here is where I'm potentially looking to cover. So within this area here, so around the 70.0 region really. So nice number to work up to. So we could get a retest and cover this gap. As we know, markets hate to have huge gaps that go unfilled in the market. So we could see an eventual, markets actually come back and actually fill this area in, but that'd be some good reward to risk ratio. So we could be potentially looking at a good 500 pip move there. But understand that this is a very long-term move, potentially holding this for multiple days. So if we fail to close above this area and we continue it to the downside, my then opportunity will be looking for a sell, and that's at this region here. So this is between 59.870 to 60.385, and essentially same thing here. We're just looking for that closure to the downside, wait for a rejection candle, and then following that bearish momentum to the downside, and we could see this continue even further lower. But as we can see right now, we've got a huge bullish pressure to the upside. We've got our EMAs just getting tested here, and if we currently look at the RSI, we are currently oversold. So there are some potential gains here and momentum to the upside. And if we look at exactly at price action and the sentiment, we've got 3 4-hour candles that have taken out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles. So momentum in that sentimental way, we could start to see a nice pressure, a bull pressure run. So essentially that will be all. And one final thing just to mention as well, if you want to check out our Instagram and just message us on there if you have any questions about our trading, etc., and I'm sure I can help you all out. So that'll be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.